Are you smarter than a Mr. Zhang student? This episode is based on cells. The ER transfers molecules. The Golgi apparatus is the mailman. Are you smarter than a Mr. Zhang student? And we're back to Are You Smarter Than a Mr. Zhang student? This episode is based on the building blocks of life, cells. Now let's get started. The way the game works is I will bring out a 9th grader, a Mr. Zhang student, who will battle it out with a grown adult. I will ask a series of questions to see who is capable of answering them. Mr. Zhang students are currently undefeated. Let's see if our first contestant can change that. Let's bring out our first contestant, Michael.
I'm happy to be on the show. I definitely think I'm smarter than a Mr. Zhang student.
Well, we'll see about that. And let's introduce our 9th grader, Mr. Zhang student, Joey.
Hi.
All right, the first question. This organelle acts as a highway that transfers molecules from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. I'll give you a little hint. This is what it looks like. Michael? All right, Joey.
That's easy. It's the Endoplasmic Reticulum.
Great. All right, next question. What does the rough ER produce? Michael?
Energy.
No, not quite. Let's move on to Joey.
It produces lipids and proteins because it has ribosomes.
Great job! Mr. Zhang students are 2 for 2. Next question. Describe a little bit about the smooth ER.
It's smooth, I'll tell you that. It's smooth.
Yes, it is smooth, but Joey, do you want to give us a little more in depth?
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum creates lipids such as cholesterol, and in the ovaries and testes it creates hormones known as estrogen and testosterone. In the skeletal and heart cells it creates lipids called cholesterol, and it creates lipids that help get rid of detoxified poisons. They detoxify poisons inside the liver and kidneys, because these poisons, if they're used too much, it'll create more smooth ER and it'll become a tolerance to the poisons. So they give hugs, not drugs.
Great job! All right, the next and final question. Fill in the blank. This blank system transports vesicles from the ER and modifies them. For example, proteins are given address labels to tell it where to go in the cell. They're kind of like a mailman. Michael?
4.
No. Joey?
The Golgi apparatus creates address labels to send the proteins where they need to go in the cell.
Great! And this is what the Golgi apparatus looks like. All right, well, I think we have a clear winner, Mr. Zhang student, Michael. Is there anything you'd like to say to the millions of people viewing us now?
I'm not smarter than a Zhang student.
Well, of course, because Mr. Zhang students are far superior. Tune in next week when we discuss hydrogen bonding. Bye.
Bye.